Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders and elbows close to your body. Press into your hands, lift your chest and head off the floor, arching your back, and look forward. Seated forward fold. Sit with your legs straight in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, reach for your toes. Keep your back straight, and fold deeper, bringing your chest closer to your legs while breathing steadily. Bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your arms at your sides with palms facing down. Press through your feet, lift your hips toward the ceiling, and keep your shoulders grounded on the mat. Pigeon pose. Start in a tabletop position and bring one knee forward, placing it behind your wrist. Extend your back leg straight behind you, and lower your hips toward the floor, folding forward. Mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together, arms at your sides, and palms facing forward. Take a deep breath and lift your chest. Ground your feet into the floor, engage your legs, and stretch your arms overhead, reaching toward the sky. Cat-cow pose. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale as you drop your belly toward the floor and lift your chest cow. Exhale as you round your spine upward cat. Repeat the movement, flowing between the two positions with each breath. Child's pose. Kneel on the mat and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward on the floor and rest your forehead on the mat. Relax in this position, breathing deeply and allowing your body to release tension. Tree pose. Stand tall and bring one foot to the inside of your opposite thigh or calf. Keep your hands at your heart or extend them above. Focus on a point in front of you to maintain balance. Hold the position while breathing deeply. Bow pose. Lie on your stomach and bend your knees, reaching for your ankles with your hands. Lift your chest and legs off the floor, pulling your ankles toward your head, creating a bow shape with your body. Triangle pose. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn one foot out and reach your arms to the sides, lowering your body toward the foot that's turned. Reach your bottom hand toward the floor and extend the top arm toward the ceiling, holding the pose. Camel pose. Kneel on the mat and place your hands on your lower back for support. Gently lean back, arching your spine and reaching for your heels, lifting your chest toward the ceiling. Boat pose. Sit on the floor with your knees bent. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and lift your feet off the floor. Straighten your legs so your body forms a V shape, balancing on your sit bones. Downward facing dog. Start on your hands and knees. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, straightening your legs and bringing your heels down toward the ground. Hold the position, keeping your arms and legs straight, and breathe deeply. Warrior 1 pose. Start in a standing position. Step one leg back, bend your front knee, and raise your arms overhead. Keep your back leg straight and press through the feet as you hold the pose, looking forward. Warrior 2 pose. From Warrior 1, open your hips and shoulders to face sideways. Extend your arms out at shoulder height. Keep your knees bent, and gaze over your front hand, breathing deeply.